This is Dean R. Silver, MD, MDH from Scottsdale, Arizona. We're going to talk about neurology today. We're going to talk about multiple sclerosis, amyotrophic lateral sclerosis. We're going to talk about neuropathy, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's disease. My dad died from Alzheimer's, so I've dedicated my life to this research, and I want to tell listeners out there a little bit about this. I've decided to combine the neurological conditions together because they have many, many things in common. I feel they're multifactorial. And the underlying causes of these, let's talk about them. And everybody out there needs to know this. Number one, these can be autoimmune diseases. Okay, so the body is attacking itself. The body's attacking the brain cells. We see a lot of this. There's toxicities like heavy metals, aluminum, lead, cadmium, mercury. There's plastics. There's gasoline. There's benzene. There's pesticides. Okay, toxicities. Number three, there's infections. There's Lyme, mold, viral infections, parasites, bacterial infections. So infections, real problem. Now, some of us have bad genes. It's a genetic predisposition. That you can't change, but you can change their genetic expression. So you got to do the right things in life, okay? You got to go on a ketogenic diet. You got to lower your sugars. You got to go organic, non-GMO, no trans fats. Okay, the next thing is called glutamate toxicity. That has to do a lot with genes and diet, okay? So when there is neurological degeneration, it's increasing in the United States. It's increasing all over the world. Now, yes, there are genes involved, but their expression, which is called epigenomics, has to do with our environment. So I would suggest that if there is continued environmental stress and continued inflammation, there's going to be free radicals, more damage, glutamate toxicity, and cell death in all these diseases. So when I see a patient with this, my treatments are involved. They're very, very personalized, and they're involved in reversing all these abnormalities. It's reversing the heavy metals, the infections, the autoimmune disease, the low oxygen, the glutamate. I have multiple sclerosis patients that have Lyme disease. I have an ALS patient with Lyme disease. So I think looking at these baseline reasons why people get this, and after I do the testing, we do treatment protocols usually for 2 or 3 months to improve mitochondrial function, restore nutritional levels of vitamins and minerals, to lower the heavy metals. We do this through chelation. We look at amino acids. We look at minerals. We look at Krebs cycle intermediates. We look at everything the body needs to heal itself. And I believe that by balancing brain chemistry, I think this is very, very important. I think this is something that's missed by traditional medicine. I'm not convinced that there's a pill to go by to fix this. I think it's environmental toxins like the association between pesticides and Alzheimer's disease, between Lyme disease, between mold disease. The therapies are based on everybody's individual problems. We address all this. We also use lots of intravenous therapies. We use phosphatidylcholine, glutathione, ozone, ultraviolet, silver sometimes. We use pulsed electromagnetic frequencies. We use lymphatic detoxification. The testing is all basically personalized. We look at GI function, gastrointestinal function, the microbiome. That's microbiome. Microbiome is very important. So if you're walking around with leaky gut, that needs to be fixed too. So the evaluation is personalized and the treatments are personalized. If you need more information, you can look at www.deansilvermd.com. You can look at the silvercancerinstitute.com. You can call us at 480-860-2030, 480-860-2030. Ask for me, ask for my wife Jeanette, get more information. These can be complicated things that traditional doctors, there's no pill to fix this. It's multifactorial. It's about testing. It's about individualized treatment. If you need more information, call us, 480-860-2030. Best in health until next time. Dean R. Silver, MD, MDH. Thank you.